Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to erase in Affinity Designer. This is a fundamental skill that'll help you refine your artwork and make precise corrections to your designs. Let's jump right into it. First, launch Affinity Designer on your computer. Once the application opens, you can either open your existing file or create a new file to work with. This will give you the canvas where you'll be able to apply the erase function. Now look toward the upper left corner of your screen. Here you'll find different personas that Affinity Designer offers. Click on Pixel. Switching to the Pixel persona is essential because it enables raster-based editing tools, which include the erase function we need for this tutorial. This mode allows you to work with pixels directly rather than vector shapes. With the Pixel persona activated, direct your attention to the left sidebar where all your tools are displayed. Locate and click on the Erase Brush tool. This tool is specifically designed for removing parts of your image or artwork with precision and control. It works similarly to a traditional eraser but gives you digital flexibility. Before you start erasing, you'll want to customize the tool to fit your needs. In the upper left corner of the screen, you'll see options to adjust the width of your erase brush. Use the slider and drag it from left to right to increase or decrease the size of your eraser. A larger width is perfect for removing bigger areas quickly, while a smaller width gives you precision for detailed work. Now you're all set to start erasing. Simply move your cursor to the canvas and drag your mouse over the areas you want to remove. As you drag, you'll see the eraser removing the pixels beneath it. The beauty of this tool is that it gives you complete control over what stays and what goes in your design. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to use the erase function in Affinity Designer, giving you another essential tool for creating and refining your digital artwork. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.